So I just finished my Mary Kay makeup tutorial, and this is the finished product. But then I wanted to go ahead and show you the Mary Kay makeup remover, just how good it is.
Maybe I'm stuck in the past, girl, not willing to let it all go. You can't ignore the fact, babe, you made me feel alive. Fuck them other bitches, I will put them to the side. Shit's so real, baby, look me in my eyes. There's so money, baby, you ain't even have to try. I'm running with you round these lessons, till you don't dancing. Quarter after three, saying everything we need. For a moment I was feeling like I had you. Didn't wanna leave, I had to. It's a quarter after three, saying everything we need. Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
And just like that, all the makeup I had on is coming off with simple one little wipe here. It's one of the better makeup removers that I've used, especially with mascara that's like waterproof. So just like that, I'm back to a naked face. So if you really want this makeup remover, which it's super amazing, it's super affordable, I will leave the link below and you can get yourself some of this amazing wipe off cream.